Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. The production function shows the maximum quantity of produced output in different set of combinations of inputs. Short-run production shows some inputs to be varied, while in long run, every inputs can be varied or changed. Total product is the relationship between a variable input and output when all other inputs are held constant. For any level of employment of an input, the sum of marginal products of every unit of that input up to that level gives the total product of that input at that employment level. Both the marginal product and the average production curves are inverse U-shaped. At the maximum point of average product curve, the marginal product curve cuts the average product curve. In order to produce output, the firm chooses least cost input combinations. Total cost is the sum of total variable cost and the total fixed cost, and the average cost is the sum of average variable and fixed cost. The average fixed cost curve is downward sloping. Short-run marginal cost, average variable cost, and short-run average cost curves are U-shaped. The short marginal curve cuts the AVC curve from below at the minimum point of AVC. SMC curve cuts the SAC curve from below at the minimum point of SAC. In the short run, for any level of output, sum of marginal costs up to that level gives us a total variable cost. The area under the SMC curve up to any level of output gives us the total variable cost up to that level. Both the long-run average and marginal curves are U-shaped. The LRMC curve cuts the LRAC curve from below at the minimum point of LRAC.